Hello, my dear friends. This is Yaolong Company, the office building in Nantong factory. Today, I would like to introduce you our light post products. The first one you will see, this is the solar light pole, and we use stainless steel material. It is in 8 meters height. And the features of this light pole, it is in curved shape of solar panel, which is quite different from others. It's looking very nice, and we have supplied a lot to America. So we are able to supply to you one complete set of light poles, including the curved shape of solar light panel and also the solar lights, and of course also including the stainless steel light poles. This design we can also make it in aluminum. Yaolong is specialized in manufacturing the high-class material of stainless steel light pole and aluminum light poles. You see the finishing is looking very nice and very durable.